Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on the Hacking Toshing Beyond channel. I'm going to show you the changes I made in Tops Tools in Swift for you. For those who like to use apps, write applications in Swift, I made a version of Tops Tools 2.0 in Swift, right? I'm liking Codar in Swift, so I don't Codava before with Swift. And I'm learning a little bit of the Swift language to make applications for Mac OS. So I took the TOPS tools that already exist, gave it an increase and put it in Swift, right? Then this layout was very cool, very futuristic too. It was very cool. I liked it a lot. And here we already have DMG here ready for you to download there. It's free. There's this app here, and we have the other versions here, which is the old app, which is in AppleScript. There's even the Lightment channel here. O9 made a video related to this app, right? I thought it was pretty cool. It's a very cool channel. It's aimed at Rakim, Torty2, and the Apple system there. Which is very interesting. This is from Lightamente09, which is very interesting. His content is and is there in the fight with us too, fighting for Hacking Tochi and the community. Thank you guys from the channel Lightamente09. And because of this video he made, I was already working on this app, right? So then it was nice. It was better than expected. I did it in 3 languages here, right? So these here I will leave in the version that is for Mac OS if you have an older system there. For example, the Sierra Rig Sierra, right? So you can use this app here. It is not in Swift, it is in AppleScript, and we also have here the version for Linux, right? Which is OScript here, selection. And you can be downloading it too. This one here is also the app that you can use there normally. And we have the version here for Windows. So it's very interesting too. Okay, guys. So guys, there's something for everyone here. Okay. It's in the OAPU DMG case here that I did in Swift. It is compatible from Ventura onwards. The previous ones are not for any version of Mac OS. You can use this application here, including OBash here, OScript, Bash selection you can use on Linux too. So here is for normal Windows. So we will download the new DMG here with the application in Swift. I just came here to drop him off. Give 2 clicks here, it will open for you the top tools icon. You can play in applications, then I'll give you 2 clicks here. Oh, just come here in settings and systems, privacy and security, open anyway. Put your password there. And I go there, the application is open there for you. I'm going to close here. He's going to look like this here. It's really cool, guys. So the Tops Tools folder will now be here. From the moment you download the application and install it, put it in the application there. He will make the folder here, or when you download some tools here. So it was really cool. It is coming in English as standard, but we have here in Portuguese, then already changes the entire layout here. Oh, you can see that the Utiluder system utility has already changed the language. Oh, and we have here in Spanish too. And we have in English the standard. Oh, because there were a lot of people asking me for the English version because I couldn't use it, but it's very quiet. So we have the themes here, right? It's already here monitoring the system, the time too. So we're here at 3:25 in the afternoon, so it's during the day. He's using the system, of course, when you change here to the dark system, the dark. It is already in the theme. Then you also have the list option here. You can use it, then click here again. It will be in cubes, so it's interesting for those who like to use it this way. Okay, for those who like listings, it's also that way. I like it better here, right? But it's to everyone's taste too. So I'm gonna put it here, and sometimes it gives an cool like that too, right? But I have a little problem here. Let's follow the system here, and that's it here. You can download, or you can see that he hasn't formalized the folder here for us yet. I'll click here on downloads. I'll download the OpenCore here, the package. Oh, have you made the folder here for me? And okay. It's here. Oh, very cool. Super fast. Here you can search. I want to download Python, for example, right? That we use a lot. Then just download Python. Here we have the Gembios. Python already comes the latest version, huh? Then you can download any tool here. Oh, it's pretty fast, guys. Well, very nice. I really enjoyed working with Swift Pro Tools tops. Oh, here we have the hacking tune. We also have here the SILP date, the CPU name, Mac Recover for us to install via Recover. We have here the bootloader Clover. We have here a compiler Lilo Friends that is very interesting too. For those who don't know, it's good to test. We have the Clover update, the OpenCore update. These tools are mine to update these boots there. We also have OpenFi here, which is very interesting with FSKitch technology. We have here the hardware sniffer, which is most used there by Windows, right? When you are using TOPS tools of the Windows version. That you're going to formalize your EFA there and everything else, right? So we have here the Apple Silicon hacking tool, which is for compilation if you want to compile the hacking to there according to the system you are using. For example, Tahoe, I can be compiling it to the Tahoe version here, which is very interesting too. You guys compile the racking tool and update it, right? That way we have here the OpenCore, Simplify. We have here the OpenCore binaries. We have here the mass ASL. Oh, talking here with you, I already downloaded everything, right? Practically. So this version of the top tools that I gave you is very interesting. Here we have the language. Here is how you can see if any new version has come out, and that's it. Here you clear the cache and reset to factory mode. It was very interesting. I really like the way it was to the application, and for those who want to use a version. For example, if you are on the older Mac OS, you can download the previous version here, okay? You can be downloading this app here, 103, which is suitable for any Mac OS there. For those who are already from Venture onwards, you can be using the application in Swift that I just launched. There was one that I forgot here. Our date binder that we use a lot there to download 11 specific drives, which is the HFS Plus, huh? It's absolutely essential to keep updating nearly all the tools you use for formalizing Wi-Fi and managing your own hacking and TOSH setup, ensuring everything runs efficiently and seamlessly. It's all here for your convenience. Quite fascinating, isn't it? That's the whole story, folks. Soon I'll set up a donation button so you can easily contribute through PayPal, supporting the efforts we put into this content. You are truly wonderful people, and I deeply appreciate your engagement. That's what I had to share with you today. May God bless you until we meet again. Don't forget to subscribe to the Peace channel and stay connected for more updates.